as a show of their commitment to stand with the Niger military junta. In case of a military intervention by Ecowas over the military takeover, Mali and Burkina Faso deployed their first batch of combat aircrafts to Niger in the late afternoon of August 19, 2023. The deployment was their way of helping Niger arm itself and prepare to respond to any form of aggression from the West African bloc, and it came just moments before ECOWAS defense chiefs concluding their summit in Accra, Ghana, in which they agreed on an undisclosed D-Day for invading Niger, as they assured their heads that they are ready to storm Niger anytime the order is given. While deploying the aircrafts, the Malian and Burkinabe militaries released a joint statement as a show of the close ties that their countries have. Ties that Ibrahim Traoré and Mali's Assimi Goïta previously said might lead to unification of the two countries. Have a look at those warplanes that were deployed.